Good morning, student. Today we will start exercise 3.3 mathematics of class 10th. And the first question is solve the following pair of linear equation by the substitution method. Means you have to solve the first question which has 6 parts and all the part you have to solve. Means this exercise you have to solve by the method of substitution. And the first question of second part, s minus t is equal to 3, s upon my 3 plus t upon my 2 is equal to 6, and we have to solve by the method of substitution. And we have to there are two methods to solve it. First, this is the first equation and this is second equation. This second equation you can solve also by taking LCM, but we will discuss later on. We know from equation first. What is the first equation? S minus t is equal to 3. What I told you that you have to find out one variable in form of other variable. Here are the two variables, one is s, other is t. It means you have to express x s in terms of t or t in terms of x. S means you have to keep s on left side and t on right side. Now from here we have to find out the value of s. So that means t has to be transferred from left to right. The sign is minus and that will be minus, that will be changed into plus. When we transfer the number variable from right hand side to left hand side or left hand side to right hand side, then the sign will change. This minus will change into plus. Here s is equal to, here is 3 and this is minus and that will be goes to right hand side, this will be plus. This is the value of s. And now this is equation number third. Put value of s in equation. In which equation we will put? You know, in second equation. Equation second. What is the second equation? S upon my 3, s upon 3 plus t upon 2 is equal to 6. Here we have to put the value of s. From third equation, this s and this s. S is equal to 3 plus t. We have to put in second equation. This is your second equation. It means here, what is s? I have to put s. This s we have to put at here. Means 3 plus t. This s 3 plus t we have to put at here. 3 plus t at here upon my 3. Upon 3. And other will be same. Plus t upon 3 is equal to 6. And then t upon 2. This is 2 and this is 3. Then I am taking LCM, or you can do separate, but it is better to solve by taking LCM. LCM 3 and 2. 3 and 2 common factor is 1. Then LCM is 3 into 2, 6. LCM is 6. And then 6 divided by 3. Quotient is 2. 2 multiply this term. 6 divided by 3. And answer is 2 bracket 3 plus t plus 6 divided by 2. Answer is 3. 3 bracket here is t, but here is only one term, is equal to 6 upon 1. And now open bracket 3 multiply 2, this 2 is multiply 3, 2 multiply 3, 2 multiply t, and this will be multiplied to this, and this 2 into 3, this 2 into 3, 6, here is plus, and 2 multiply t, 2 multiply t, 2 into t, 2 multiply 3, 6, 2 multiply t, 2t, plus 3t, upon में 6 is equal to 6 upon 1. Like term, we have to add each other. 3t plus 2t is equal to 5t. So 6 plus 5t upon 6 is equal to 6 upon 1. Cross multiply, cross multiply, cross multiply. Here is cross multiply, cross multiply. This will multiply to this. Then 6 plus 5t is equal to 6 multiply 6. 1 multiply 6 plus 5t. This will be same. 6 plus 6 multiply 6. 6 multiply 6. Here is 6 plus 5t is equal to 36. Then 5t. Here is again then 6 plus 5t is equal to 36. 5t is equal to, this will be plus sign, and to right side this will be plus, and this will be, here will be minus. This 6 on left side is plus, and transferred to right side this will be negative. 36 minus 6, 5t is equal to 36 minus 6, 30, and t is equal to 30 upon 5 is equal to 6. It means t is equal to 6. This t is equal to 6, and now we have to find out the value of s. Then put the value of t is equal to 6 in equation third. In equation third, and now put it here. In equation third, now put t is equal to 6 in equation third. What is equation third? S is equal to 3 plus t, and this t is equal to 6. This t is equal to 6. S is equal to 3 plus 6. S is equal to 9. Therefore, S is equal to 9. T is equal to 6, and this is your answer. It's clear? And now move to second question. Third part, first question and third part, fourth part is equal to 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. And now this is equation number first. Before putting this first and second, and here is the decimal. Here is decimal, here is decimal. To solve the decimal question, again the two method, either we have to find out the value of x or y in form of decimal, or we can eliminate or remove the decimal. But we will solve by the second method. How many digit after 2 decimal? How many digit after decimal? 1 digit. How many digit after decimal? 1. 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 It means in equation first and in equation second, there is one and only one digit after decimal. It means only one digit after decimal, then we can remove the decimal. Means we can write 2x plus 3y is equal to 30. 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. We can write directly. Mean 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. This will be equation first and this will be equation second. If you have doubt, then you can check it here. 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3. We have to remove decimal. So we can write 2 upon 10. This is x plus 3 upon 10. This is y is equal to 13 upon 10. Here is LCM is 10. So then LCM is 10. Here we will. If the LCM is same, then the numerator will also same. If the value of denominator LCM is same 10 10, then we have to write the same numerator 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 upon 10. On comparing, x will eliminate. So what will be the 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. And this is the same equation. And similarly equation 2 also. And for 2 equation, you can check. And then second equation 0.4 x plus 0.5 y is equal to 2.3. We have to eliminate decimal. So 4 upon 10 x plus 5 upon 10 y is equal to 23 upon 10. 10 means all are same. And here is on left side the LCM is 10. On right side, the denominator is 10. So what is the LCM is 10? 4x plus 5y is equal to 23 upon 10. This 10 will eliminate. Then answer will be 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. And 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. Is it clear? But you can write directly. No problem for that. And again, now you find yourself. After that, I think you can do it. What we will do? Check it. What we will do first? From equation first, we have to find out the value of y or x. Means we can say express y in terms of x or x in terms of y. That the value of y from equation first we have to put in equation second, and when we put in equation second we will obtain the value of x, and then value of x we will put in third equation. This is the solution. Is it clear? And now check it again. From equation first, 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. Either you can find the value of x or you can find out the value of y. And from here, y we will find out, and that x will be toward the right. The sign will change. Here is 2x plus, यहाँ जाके minus. So what will your answer? 3y is equal to 13 minus 2x, and then y is equal to 13 minus 2x. Here is 3 multiply, and on right side it will divide. This is the value of y. And now what I do? Put the value of y. Where? In equation second. This is equation third. Put value of y in equation third. Then equation second. What is equation second? 4x plus 5y is equal to 23. And now here is 4x, here is y. 4x will be same. 4x is same. 4x plus 5y. Y from, find the value, put the value of y. This one. This y 13 minus 2x upon 3 5. What is y? This is, we have to put what? 13 minus 2x upon में 3 is equal to 23. And now here is 1. What we have to take? LCM. LCM of 1 and 3. LCM of 1 and 3. 3. LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. 3 divided by which one? 1 is equal to 3. 3 divided by 1, 3, and 3 multiplied 4. 3 multiplied 4 into x plus 3. This 3 divided by 3, 1. 1 multiplied 5. 5 1 ja 5. Value will be same. Is equal to 23 upon 1. Open bracket. 3 4 ja 12x plus 5 multiply 13. 5 multiply 13. 5 multiply 13. Now you can write directly. 5 multiply 13. 65 minus 5 multiply 2x plus minus 10x upon में 3 is equal to 23 upon 1. This is 12x and this is 10x of minus. Like term. Like term. Which one is like term? 12x and 10x. So here we will write 12x minus 10x plus 65 upon में 3 is equal to 23 upon 1. Here is 12x, here is 10x. 12x minus 10x. 12x minus 10x is equal to 2x. 2x upon 2x plus 65. And here is what we have to write. 12x minus 10x. 2x plus 65 upon 3 is equal to 23 upon 1. Cross multiply. Cross multiply. This multiplied to this will be multiplied. So this will be multiplied to 1. What will be your answer? What is your answer now? This will be 2x plus this will be 65 is equal to this 3 multiplied to 23. It will be 69. Here is plus and that will be goes to right hand side. Plus will change into minus. Here is 2x is equal to 69 minus 65. 2x is equal to 69 minus 65. 4x equal to 4 upon 2 is equal to 2. So x equal to 2. This is your answer. Or you can say value of x. Value of x. But what we have to find out? Value of y. Put value of x equal to 2 in equation where I have to put? In equation 3. In equation 3. So what is 3 equation? Y is equal to 13 minus 2x upon में 3. This is equation 3rd. And now the value of x is 3, 2. Value of x is 2. Here we have to put 2. Then what is your answer? Y is equal to 13 minus 2 into 2 upon में 3. Here is y is equal to 13 minus 4 upon 3. And it is your answer. 13 minus 4 is equal to 9 upon 3. Then answer is y is equal to 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. Y is equal to 3. Therefore, x equal to 2, y is equal to 3. This is your answer. X equal to 2, y is equal to 3. This is the solution of linear equation into variable. Is it clear? And now the homework is, first you have to do exercise 3.3 question number. First, all remaining part of question number first, exercise 3.3. First part, third part, fifth and sixth and seventh and second question also. Is it clear? And now we will solve the sum statement problem and how to form the equation, linear equation into variable from statement. from statement. And now the question number third, we will solve it. And the third question, to form the equation, we will form in next class, and you have to complete this homework. If any doubt, you can ask. Thank you.